Well, hello, all you beautiful people. It's been a while since I've been making one of these. And one of the properties that we've taken on a while ago now, but one of the tenants we've evicted one of the tenants. This room was not a nice room. Let's just have a look at this picture. Bing! Not nice. However, this tenant has now moved on to greener pastures. But he was a heavy smoker, and one of the reasons why we've asked him to move out. Have a look. Now the room now doesn't look that bad. It appears nice and fresh. We had that lovely angle painted. We've put some new fresh bedding on there, but we do have a problem with this room. Even though it looks okay, it's a nice big spacious room, look at that, but look at this carpet. We have emptied a freshener on this whole carpet because it stinks. Believe it or not, this door used to be white at one stage. It's now a smoky magnolia because of all the smoking that's gone on in here. The same with the radiator. It used to be white, it's not. Skirtings, the same. If you look down there, skirtings aren't white no more. Painter has made a bit of a boo-boo at the bottom there. He will be getting a good bollocking off of me for that. Now, where we were just going to paint this room, the ceiling, we never paint ceilings when we freshen up a room because it's always fine, but this ceiling, believe it or not, was yellow. The nicotine was horrendous. You know, we still need to do a bit of work in this room because even though we've got some freshener in there, the carpets, now this needs to soak into the carpet and before we hoover it, but it still stinks in this room. It's unreal. Oh, just look at the skirting boards. I mean, look at that. It used to be white, now it's yellow. And like I said, I've just created a new color for painters. A magnolia, a smoky magnolia, I'm gonna call it. And it smells like smoke as well, people. So just a little something to keep you guys thinking for new color schemes for your upcoming HMOs. I'll send you photos and do another video when it's all done. So if you've got a house in Stoke-on-Trent, an HMO, and you want to get it rented, you've got struggling to fill your rooms or you're busy with a project, give us a call and we'll get in touch and we'll come and see how we can help you.